What is going on, my YouTube people? We have another video of us working on the E46 drift build. Today we are going to put on the BC Racing custom coilovers. Here, let's go ahead and get an unboxing. Alright guys, so let's open this up. So, as you see, I have not opened this at all yet. Haven't even got to look at them yet. I should have, but I didn't. I have the BR series, but I think I got custom spring rates in them. It's been a minute. 10K fronts, 12K rears. See, in another box. Boom. Boom. This is exciting. Oh, stickers and packages and stuff. Yup. The moment of truth. Bro. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, we don't need none of this. We don't need any of this. Okay, what's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? We have some sway bar end links. We have these. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, springs, because this is a detached set. Here's the rears. First look. They're so nice. Alright, let's get them out of this box. Look at those. That's super cool. Here are the fronts. They come with the super cool plates on top. They look really nice. Here's the rears. We've opened them, we've looked at them, we've touched them, some good quality. Now we have to install them. That's what today is really about. Taking this monster truck to a much more tucked look. This is a little exaggerated because the vehicle's up, but here's the fronts. The fronts are down, and there's an entire hand. I can fit an entire hand in there. 4 fingers. That's no good. You can do better than that. All right, first things first. We have to take off with jacked car up, already jacked car up. We gotta take off the wheels. I'm gonna start in the rear. I'm not gonna do the front yet because I might put on the SLR kit at the same time. Just depends. All right, car's jacked up. Okay, we made it back. Now that the vehicle's up on jacks, we'll take the wheels off. Once we take the wheels off, we can get to the suspension. We take this old crusty suspension off, and then we can get the new stuff on, like these beautiful BCs. Come on down. BC, 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 BC. Look at that. Come with these nice little top hats here. All the adjustment. But for now, we're gonna work with the rears. Now the rears, as you see, there's no coilover on this. I specifically wanted to stay this setup where it's technically called divorced, because this right here, I can just pop out and pop a new one in if I need to change spring rates. I doubt that we're gonna get to that stage, but if we do, I wanna have the ability and the capability to do it. Let's go ahead and future-proof the vehicle. Plus, I don't know what spring rate I'm supposed to be running based on weight, and it's gonna fluctuate until the end of the build. When we're at the end of the build, it might have some significantly different spring rates. Right now, I just kind of picked a spring rate that what I thought was gonna be conducive for what I'm doing, and it could be completely wrong. But with spring rates, you know, I was watching a video of Chelsea Denofa, and he talks about all these different equations and weights and all this other stuff. So I said, okay. And he talks about geometry, how far and everything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run like 10K up in the front and a 12K in the rear. And then if I need to, you know, I'll change it at a later time. Right now, I'm just gonna put these on and then we're gonna go from there. Let me get the cars already up in the air. Let me get the wheels off. Let's get the old stuff out. guys, there's 3 bolts on the rear here. The lower size is 17 millimeter. There's 3 bolts on the top of the shock in the trunk here. The 2 smaller ones is a 13. The rear strut just went through. I just wanted to kind of show you this old blown out junk. Dude, they were in dire need to be changed out. Oh my gosh. Literally just fucking falling apart. Alright, out with the old guy. Alright, we're gonna do the same with the left and the right side. Should be pretty simple. 2 bolts. Like I was saying, we're gonna remove these 2 bolts here, the 13 millimeters. And then we're going to remove the bottom, and it's a 17 mil. Here's the old one, old spring, old hat. Let's go grab the new stuff. Bottom one started. What we can do while we're here is we can set the ride height once it's in there, how high I want, and just like that, it's in there. Look, boom, boom. Now we are going to have to play with adjustment, so right now I'm just putting them in there the way that they are. I'm gonna go do the other side. So they're in. I'm gonna put the wheels on, let's see how they look. Oh, that's gonna come up a lot. I knew it was gonna be too much. Guess it's laying on the tire. It's laying on the tire. So here's the deal. It's tucked too much, or it's going to rub too much, as you saw on that one when I lowered it the first time. So now I have to figure out what I'm gonna do to run these 10.5s. Am I gonna get over fender sooner than later? So I'm gonna do the left side. I'm gonna adjust the height just so I can get it on the ground. It's probably gonna be on the tires again. But it won't be as bad. I'm probably gonna have to roll these or just cut them. We'll see. Like I said, I got half of it done. I'm probably gonna drop it and see where it sits. See what the next game plan is. There is the old crusty nonsense. The other ones are in there. One of the other springs. Yeah, look like garbage. Okay. So let's lower it and see what she does. I felt like I was gonna pop a tire earlier. If you ever like ride on it like that, it'd be bad. But this jack doesn't have slow. It just is like one speed and that's fast. Just fast. I can barely fit my hand in there, but that side's not rubbing. Look. Alright, can you see? Look at this. Barely put my finger in there, but hey, that is fit. Is that raise it up just enough. Let me see. Ooh, this side's so much lower. This side's like on, this side's in it. I don't know why this side's in it. Maybe I put too much in there, but it still free flows. Alright, tomorrow is going to be the fronts. The rears are actually on. They're actually set. I have to compare the left side spring, how long, or the left side strut. I have to compare the left side strut to the right side strut and make sure they're equal length, because I need to make sure that it has the same amount of travel. It'd be weird if one had more than the other, especially on a brand new setup. So then this is where we were before. You know, we can fit 2.5, almost 3 fingers in there. That tucked. Matthew! We're tucked. Beyond tucked. Hey, little guy.
He's sick.
Sick? Oh no. I already told you to.
Sell it.
No, I like it.
I do too. I'm up on 22s out of that.
Yeah, tell him he needs to get rid of these little 13-inch wheels.
We gotta fix that.
Look at this. He says, oh, I gotta fix this one. 7 tires later. Bro. This one, because it's the rear tire, don't have that much weight. It's the front ones. You're gonna make one turn and that one's gonna go.
Poppers put like 70, 80 pounds.
Bro, tell this guy that this is not it. Tell him he needs 20s, 22s. All blacked out. Ooh, on a black caddy. Get a little color correction in that thing. All right, tomorrow we're gonna put the fronts on. We're gonna set the preload. I gotta go pick up my kid. And it's raining.